Mr. Potato Head, hurry up and pull that fire alarm. We have to get some help down here now. Alright, here we go.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency situation has been detected in this building. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building until directed to by the proper authority. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency situation has been detected in this building. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building until directed to by the proper authority. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency situation has been detected in this building. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building until directed to by the proper authority. Attention.
Engine 5, all vehicles, 5-alarm fire at City Towers. Please respond.
Alright, Spark. It's time to go. I'm with you, John. Let's go.
Bob, look at those flames. Let's get this blaze under control. Chief, come on, let's go. Connect the hose. Let's fight this fire.
Okay, Spark. This is what we gotta do. I'm gonna go up there and fight the fire with the ladder. You stay down here. Keep an eye on things. And if Bob comes, bark. Okay? Chief, guys, do you copy? Over. Oh, why isn't this thing working? Chief, this is Bob. Okay, Chief, this is Spot. Please come in. It's about time, Bob. What was taking you so long? Look, I told you. We don't have the right radio equipment now. We use CB radios instead of regular radios. We couldn't get the call. Hold it. This doesn't look very 5-alarm fire-ish. You sure this is the right place? Who pulled the alarm? I think it was that guy down there. Never assume anything. Over here we got problems with a guy called Mr. Potato Head. He's our arch enemy. He thinks that you're me, basically. So, he pulled that alarm. Alright. Well, what do we do? Well,
Come on, Engine 5, move out. Engine 5, good job. Attaboy, Chief.
okay, Bob, why did you make us pull out? There was still smoke in there. It was a fog machine, John. The potato heads were trying to trick you. What? I don't know what you're talking about, Bob. It was just a fog machine. But dispatch told us that there was a 5-alarm fire. There's a button in there marked 5-alarm fire. If they pull that, I mean, they can pull that and that would tell dispatch that there's a 5-alarm fire in there. They like to do that kind of stuff to us. I mean, I don't know why, but they like to do that. So that's why I had us pull out. Okay? So, come on, let's head back to the station. Okay.